CenturyLink routers broadcast both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands by default. Switching to 2.4 GHz is useful for older devices that don't support 5 GHz, for extending Wi-Fi range, or for troubleshooting connectivity issues. The 2.4 GHz band offers greater range and better wall penetration compared to 5 GHz. However, 2.4 GHz generally provides slower speeds than 5 GHz, so it's a trade-off. This isn't a permanent hardware change, and you can easily revert back. Also, 2.4 GHz is more prone to interference from other devices like microwaves, so channel selection is crucial. This isn't a permanent hardware change, and you can easily revert back. First, connect to your CenturyLink router via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Open a web browser and enter your router's IP address, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Check the router label for the exact address. Log in using your credentials. The default is often admin for both username and password, or check the unique code on the router sticker. Navigate to the wireless or Wi-Fi settings section in the router interface. Disable the 5 GHz band. You might also choose to rename the 2.4 GHz network SSID to make it easily identifiable. Save your changes and reboot the router to apply the settings. Test your devices, especially those that had connectivity problems. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to optimize the channel selection for less interference. This ensures that your chosen devices are now running on the 2.4 GHz band.